Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here at the Holiday Inn Express in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. So here we go. Two queen beds. Map, security stuff, good. You'll see stuff like this all over the room. Pattern. Older property, renovated. Little thing here. Microwave and stuff, clean. Little up bar area, cool. This is a tiny bathroom. If you're in a big bathroom, this ain't it, folks. Here we go. Recently renovated. Yep. Like stuff like that, you'll see. No rough spot there. It's just wear and tear. Yep. Showed you that. Here's the beds. This room's not that nicely lit. But anyway, got a wardrobe, safe and stuff, hangers. Yep. TV with my Roku plugged into it. Very nice 50-inch Samsung 4K TV. Yeah, you got stuff like that. Little nicks. Boom. Carpet's in good condition. P-TAC unit. View of the parking lots. This little table right here. Two queen beds. Beds. All springy. Feel soft. Bed is clean. Confirm that. So yeah. Got some lamps here. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel, room 334. Yeah. Free out breakfast in the morning. Typical continental Holiday Inn breakfast. 6:30 to 10. Here on employee rate. Paid $65 for this room. No brainer for that price. Parts are clean. The hallways good. The hallways are really dim. That could be addressed more light in the hallways, but they have no indoor pool, just an outdoor pool. So, boom, yeah. This room comes out with smell too. Eliminate the smell and the furniture, minus the furniture being a little worn. Not a bad place at all, so. Yeah, nice place to come to Bensalem, Pennsylvania, and it's 10 minutes from the Parks Casino. That's why I'm down here. I saw Big and Rich at the Parks Casino, so that's why I'm here. That's what brings me to town. It's kind of nasty up here, but whatever. Yeah, stuff like that. Just little knickknacks on the wall, really, but clean place to stay. Lay your head for the night. Free breakfast. So yeah, if you want to be near Parks Casino, this could be a good option for you. And minus the smell room, get rid of the smell. Have a better smelling room. This could be a good option for you. So yeah, this was a room tour of the Holiday Inn Express in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. And with that being said, KW out. Please like, share, and subscribe.